In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your audio files using Kapwing, a simple yet powerful online media editing tool. Whether you're a budding podcast creator, an aspiring musician, or just someone who needs to tweak audio for a project, these steps will be easy to follow and will help you get your audio just right. First, let's navigate to your web browser and go to kapwing.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Create New button. This is your starting point, where all the magic begins. With Kapwing, you're not just limited to audio edits. It's a versatile platform for various types of media. But for today, we'll focus on audio. Once you've created a new project space, it's time to upload your audio file. Click on the Upload Media option, which will allow you to add the audio file you want to edit from your computer. You can either drag and drop your file into the space provided, or browse to locate it on your device. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it appear on your screen, ready for editing. Now, let's move that audio file into the timeline. This is where you will do most of your editing work. Simply drag the audio file you've uploaded down into the timeline below. This visual layout will allow you to see the audio waveform, giving you a clear perspective on where your audio starts, peaks, and ends. Next, decide where you would like to make your first cut. This could be to remove unwanted sections or perhaps to create separate segments for different audio pieces. Move the playhead, a vertical line that moves along with your audio as you play it, to the exact point where you want to make your cut. Then click on the split option, represented by the scissors icon, to divide your audio at this point. With your audio split, you now have the choice to delete any parts you don't need. Click on the unwanted section and either delete it directly or drag the ends of the audio clip to shorten it to your desired length. This flexibility allows you to hone in on the specific parts that are essential to your project, removing anything unnecessary. Finally, it's all about adjusting and perfecting your audio. Listen carefully and preview what you've edited to ensure it meets your expectations. Make any further adjustments by dragging, cutting, or even repositioning audio segments until everything sounds just right. Remember, audio editing is both a science and an art, so taking the time to fine-tune can make all the difference. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully edited your audio file using Kapwing. Experiment with these tools, and over time, you'll likely discover even more features that can take your audio projects to the next level. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.